to my channel, and today we're gonna try to paint like a galaxy. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna paint, but let's start with the materials. I'm using Saunders Waterford. This is like a small size. It's like a gift tag size, so I'm just gonna use my flat brush. This is from Princeton Neptune, and then we're just going to wet this. So my plan is to wet this part and then just drop in some colors. So I wanted some galaxy-ish design for my gift tag. Not sure if I can pull it off, but let's try to just wing it. I'm gonna be using the Art Philosophy Artist Grade Watercolor. So this is their new product. And I have here, this is the Ultramarine Deep, and then I'm probably going to add some crimson, like crimson in the center. Again, I'm not sure what I'm doing. Maybe you can add a bit of like yellow, and then just add the blue on the sides. So let's try. I'm not really sure if this is gonna work. So my plan is to just create the outer part with some pigmented color. So we are going to layer this one. So I'm just kind of smudging the colors, and because the surface is wet, we can create some like soft look. So I have here some Prussian blue. I think I'm gonna add it on the sides, or I'm not sure, maybe we can do some landscape later, so it depends on what will happen here. But I think I'm gonna add a little bit of crimson. Just try to like smudge it and just let it blend. And then I'll go in with some indigo. Just put this on the sides, and I think this will dry pretty light, so I think we need to add another layer. Now this is Prussian blue, so I think I will just let this one dry. Okay, so this is already dry, and I think I'm gonna add a bit more yellow. Just to make this area a little brighter, but I'm gonna be adding some more Ultramarine Deep just to layer this, make it like more intense. Okay, then let's add over here. Then I'm just gonna fade away those dark edges, but I think we can also wet the entire area and then just do the same wet on wet technique. Okay, then I'm gonna add some indigo to get like a darker color. and then just fade it again. So I'm not really sure if this will work. And then I kind of wanted to lift some of the colors in the center. Okay. I think that I will let this dry again, and then we can probably add some stars using gouache. Okay, so with ultramarine, let's try to add some mountains. So I guess we can kind of layer this later when it's already dry. And while waiting for this to dry, I'm just gonna try to add some stars using the white gouache, and I'm using this Deerfoot brush from Princeton Select. I'm just gonna try to flick this brush to create some splatters. You can also use toothbrush. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Oh, it's working. So let's just add some stars. This is quite fun. Looks so cool. Okay, I think I'm okay. And then let's just add more layers here. Okay, and now I have some ultramarine with a bit of indigo. So just gonna add more mountains. Not really sure I'm doing this right, but let's just try. And kind of wanted to add some snowy effect later on the mountains. Okay, then I will let this dry again. So I have some gouache here, and maybe we can add some snow effect, and then I think we can like blur this a little. I'm not sure if I'm sort of messing it up, but let's just try. I'm just adding some wiggly lines, and if I don't like this, I can probably just add some blue on top just to cover the white snow, but okay, let's try this one first. Again, we're just trying to wing it, so I hope this will look good. So I'm probably going to make this a Christmas tag. I'm not so sure yet. Okay, so I think I'm pretty happy with that. Let's try to peel off the tape. This is one of my favorite things to do because it's so... Okay, I'm gonna start with this part. I just love the clean edge. Oh, there's a smudge here. Oh, I love it. But it's not so clean. It's still good. Okay, so one more. Well, I think it looks good for my first time. Wow. Well, it looks good for me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more art videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!